Hey everyone, 𝘂𝗵𝗶𝘀 here. In this lecture, we are going to do something really interesting. Instead of just talking about features, we are going to look at real websites built with directories. These are live working directories from various industries such as travel, real estate, business listing, and more. The goal here is simple. I want you to see what's actually possible when people use directories in real-world scenario. As we go through each example, don't just watch it for inspiration. Try to understand the structure, layout, and how listings are organized. Because this is exactly how you will start thinking when you build your own directory website. Alright, let's get started. Our first website today is Corps Strength, a dedicated support directory for veterans, first responders, and their families. Corps Strength uses directories to organize a wide range of essential services. These include mental health counseling, therapy, rehabilitation programs, wellness retreats, family support services, and specialized assistance for trauma or injury. The platform makes it easy to search and filter services by category, helping users quickly find the specific type of support they need. Each listing includes detailed program information, eligibility criteria, contact details, and location, making it easier for veterans and families to access real help and reliable resources. Next up is 𝘂𝗵𝗶𝘀, a property-focused directory that showcases real estate listings in a clear, structured way. Using directories, the platform organizes properties into an easy-to-browse listing, helping users quickly explore available options. Each listing includes essential details such as images, location, and contact information, making the browsing experience smooth and informative. This is a great example of how directories can power real estate directories with clarity and usability. Our next website is ArtNow, a modern art directory showcasing artists, galleries, and creative professionals. ArtNow transformed the art world into a structured, searchable platform where visitors can discover artists, explore exhibitions, and connect with galleries. The clean, minimalistic design makes browsing effortless. Users can filter by category, art type, or location, helping them quickly find the style or artist they are interested in. Each listing features detailed artist profile, artwork visuals, descriptions, and contact information, creating a professional online presence for creatives while making discovery simple for art lovers. This is a great example of how directories can power not just business directories, but also creative and cultural platforms. Next is 𝘁𝗵𝗵𝗏, a platform that blends community content with a directory style structure. Using directories, the site combines listings with informational content, creating a more engaging experience for visitors. Users can explore updates, browse listings, and stay connected with local information all in one place. This shows how directories can support hybrid platforms that go beyond traditional directories. Our final website today is United Car Center, an automotive listings directory focused on showcasing available vehicles. Using directories, the platform structures vehicle listings with images, specifications, and contact details. Users can easily browse inventory, explore individual listings, and connect for more information. This is a perfect example of how directories can power inventory-based directories, such as car listings and dealer listings. And that's a wrap for this customer showcase walkthrough. What you just saw is the real power of directories in action. Different industries, different use cases, but the same core system behind all of this. And that's important to understand. You are not limited by template. You are building flexible system that can adapt to almost any niche. Now I want you to do one thing. Go through this example again, pick one niche you like, and start thinking about how you would structure it using Directorist. Because that's how you move from just learning to actually building. In the next lecture, we'll take this further and explore how to apply these ideas to marketing and growth. See you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.